Hello everyone. So today we discussed, can a person run a court without any legal authority and still deliver judgments for years? In a shocking case from Gujarat, this question became a disturbing reality. An individual allegedly established what appeared to be an arbitration forum. He rented premises, displayed official looking signage, wore professional attire, and began adjudicating real land disputes. Parties approached to him in a good faith. Proceedings were conducted, orders were passed, and some involving property disputes of substantial value. The arrangement continued undetected until a purported arbitral order was submitted before a competent court for verification. That is when authorities discovered a critical fact. No such arbitral tribunal legally existed there. Arbitration under the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 is a legally recognized dispute resolution mechanism. However, its validity depends upon a valid arbitration agreement, appointment of a lawful and neutral arbitrator, adherence to statutory procedure. In the present case, these foundational requirements appear to have been absent. Potential legal liability, the conduct may attract multiple offences, including cheating, personation, forgery, and the last one is criminal conspiracy. So, the legal status of such orders which were passed by this tribunal, any decision rendered by an entity lacking jurisdiction or legal authority is void ab initio. Such orders have no enforceability in law and cannot create or extinguish legal rights. Systematic concern. This case highlights a serious concern about public reliance on perceived authority without verification. It underscores the urgent need for greater legal awareness and institutional safeguards. The conclusion of this whole matter, the rule of law is not merely about institutions, it is about legitimacy, procedure, and authority. Where these are absent, even a court-like structure becomes nothing more than a facade. So, stay informed. Legal awareness is your first line of protection. The title of this case is Gujarat Fake Arbitration Court Case 2026, and this matter is currently under investigation and has not been reported as a formal judicial precedent. Thank you.